Today you'll take your Chapter 5 vocabulary quiz in Social Studies. Be sure to put your name, the date, and your class period at the top of the page. I'm going to read you the word list first. Number 1 is loyalist. 2, preamble. 3, writ of assistance. 4, revenue. 5, effigy. 6, rebellion. 7, Minutemen. 8, Committee of Correspondence. 9, boycott. 10, militia. 11, propaganda. 12, petition. 13, repeal. 14, resolution. And 15, patriot. Now I will read the list of definitions or descriptions. A. This is a civilian during the Revolutionary War era who was ready to fight with only a minute's notice. A minute's notice. B. This word means to cancel an act or a law. C. This word is an organization that spreads political ideas and information through Britain's American colonies. D. This is a court document that allows customs officers to enter any location and search it for smuggled goods. E. This is a mocking figure representing an unpopular individual. A lot of times they hung them from a tree and burned them. F. This is a formal request for government action. G. This is the introduction to a formal document. It often tells why the document was written. We have one of these to our Constitution. H. This is an official expression of an opinion by a group. Sort of they agree on an opinion and they write it down. I. This is an American colonist who remained loyal to Britain and opposed the war for independence. They were called this. J. This is any incoming money from taxes or other sources. K. This is a military force made up of ordinary citizens who are trained to fight but only in emergencies. L. This word means to refuse to buy items in order to, as a protest or to force someone to, the acceptance of someone's terms. So when a large group of people refuse to buy certain items, it's called this. M. These are ideas or information that are intentionally spread to harm or to help a cause. Usually ends up harming another cause or person. N. This is open defiance of authority, doing it in public. And O. This is what we call the American colonists who were in favor of American independence. They supported it.